So the sky just opened up and it started pouring. Thundering too. It's crazy out of nowhere. 30 minutes ago it was It was sunny 30 minutes ago, and then it just got black out of nowhere and it started pouring. I know you can't really see too well on the camera, but it's raining kind of hard. See on the neighbor's roof, there you go. See that? See the lightning? Be up here. Woo, look at that, man. It's flying over here, this rain. I love it. Look at the wind, man. Knocking sticks down and stuff. It's already starting to flood, just a little bit. This only started like 3 minutes ago. Alright, cool guys, just a short little video. Wanted y'all to see what's up. Peace out.